Outside the birth of our kids, today is one of the proudest moments in Cake and I life right now.
Standing in the Colorado River.
And this is exactly why we love traveling freely without heading to events. Baby, what highway we riding on? 70? This is one of the rest stops on I-70 in Colorado. I don't remember the last city we passed, but this is by one of the rest stops. See the freeway up there? Rest stop is back there, and this is where we get to spend our day. Your boots still waterproof?
No.
Don't buy those, y'all. Did they go over the top, or they just came through the zipper where it's supposed to be waterproof? Canyon all the way down here. All right, time to get back on the bikes and continue the road.
Have to spray some Flex Seal on.
I know.
Stop it. Stop.
Hey,
You know how to talk to Zion. Stop.
she don't want to talk when she's comfortable. Leave it alone.
What you be touching? Everything.
She's full.
Wait, earlier today.
Yeah.
Put massage your hand under the
Hold it. Yeah, hold it.
don't fall.
Take one from my first room.
Wipe her own mouth. Look at your face. Here, wipe your mouth. No, here.
Mary Ellie.
Mary, you ain't a girl.
She's trying to get this. She dropped it and she picked it back up with her mouth.
But you got stuff in her ear.
Yeah, do what you gotta do. There you go.
See, she got two.
Priority. It will be on this sleeve too.
Oh, is it right there? I'll go right now. You can't even pick me up. I can. No, you can't. You have help. So you can't.
Delicioso.
Delicioso. Was that a big deal?
You fail. Outside the birth of our kids, today is one of the proudest moments in Cake and I life right now. As you can see, by the design of the buildings, we are on a military base for the swearing in of our grandson. He's leaving, joining the military today. This is why we're probably not going to make Reese and Kay solo event. We are back in California, and we're going to attend the swearing in. We'll bring that to you guys also. It's not too late. They look good. There he is right there. Let's go Lakers.
Attention.
All right, good morning, everyone. How are we doing today? Good. Good. You excited to start your journey? Yes. All right, congratulations on making it to this point. I'm Captain Tom Brick. I'm the operations officer. Welcome to your oath and enlistment ceremony. Family and friends, thank you for coming and showing support to these applicants as they begin a new journey in the United States military. Before we begin, do you all consent to having your video taken in the oath ceremony today?
Yes.
Okay. I'll post it to the San Jose Maps Facebook page afterwards, and then the rest of your family and friends can view it on there. Go ahead and go to parade rest. Did you all receive the pre-oath video briefing in the classroom today?
Yes.
Do you understand the UCMJ articles 104 Alpha, 85 and 86?
Yes.
Do you understand the difference between swearing or affirming the oath?
Yes.
Okay. Did you all enlist under your own free will?
Yes.
Is there anybody forcing you to enlist?
No.
Okay. Any last minute questions or concerns? No? All right, let's do this. Group attention. Raise your right hand and repeat after me. I state your full name.
I
Do solemnly swear or affirm
solemnly swear
that I will support and defend
that I will support and defend
the Constitution of the United States
the Constitution of the United States
against all enemies,
against all enemies,
foreign and domestic,
foreign and domestic,
that I will bear true faith
that I will bear true faith
and allegiance to the same,
and allegiance to the same,
and that I will obey the orders
and that I will obey the orders
of the President of the United States
of the President of the United States
and the orders of the officers
and the orders of the officers
appointed over me,
appointed over me,
according to regulations
according to regulations
and the Uniform Code
in the Uniform Code
of Military Justice.
of military justice.
So help me God.
So help me God.
All right, lower your right hand, give yourself a round of applause. Congratulations.
Right.
Welcome to the team. Congratulations. So the next thing I'm going to have you all do is take a seat in that classroom. You're going to put your name tapes back on, and then I'm going to call you up individually to sign your contracts with me, verify everything. And then while you're waiting, you're more than welcome to go into the oath room and take some more photos with your family members. Make sure you see me, and then make sure you see afterwards in the lobby so that you can get your travel brief from Miss Candace. She's going to give you your debit cards, your flight information, everything you need to know before you head on the bus. So, like I said, congratulations, welcome to the team, and I'll see you inside.
Really turn it up so we can play it again.
Congratulations, congratulations, congratulations. Congratulations. Too late to turn back down. Congratulations. Y'all look good. And
Yes. Congratulations.
Yes.
she has your
Hold on. Here, turn this around. I want my husband on video too.
hugs on video.
I love you. Thank you, guys.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Welcome to the real world, sailors.
Yeah, fill up the front.
And they getting on the bus. Oh, turning back down. That's his mama.
All right, fill up the front, you guys. Clean stacking. Hello, sunshine. We got. Oh, some American and United.
Bye.